DreamCabby with We Is the Future, our new channel where we have the opportunity to spend more time with our family. Today we wanted to tell you about the Diaper Genie Elite, and we're going to do a review on it, show you how to use it. Really, really awesome. Alright, so here we got our son. He's telling you a little bit about it right now. Tell you how much he likes it. Alright, so first of all, whenever you put a diaper in, you go ahead and flip the top, you put it right in the top, and it actually has some levers that open up, accept the diaper, and then it closes it so you don't get any smell. When you're ready to change it, what you do is it's got these things on the front. You just pull it forward, and it's got your collection of diapers here at the top. So what you do is you pull out your diapers, okay? It's got a little cutter, so you cut it and set up your next bag, and then what you do is you tie the top so that you don't have any smells. You tie the top so that you don't have any smells, you pull it out, it's ready to go in the trash. No dripping, no leaking, no smells. We love that because it makes it simple and easy. Okay? Now normally what you would do is you would tie this bag at the bottom and it would be ready to go for the next one. But it looks like we're all out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and show you how simple and easy it is to go ahead and do the refill. So what we have is the Diaper Genie refill here. All you do is you tear off the top, like so. Okay? Alright, you pull the bag out of the top, like so, and then you pull it down. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, you're going to take out the old one, quick, easy, and simple. You slide in the new one, like so, open up the top, and what you do is you pull down your bag to the distance of where the other one is. You tie it at the bottom to make sure that there's no leaks or dripping. You close it up, and it's ready. You open it up, slide your diaper in once again, and continue the process. Very nice and easy, simple to use. I'll tell you what, it's been a blessing because when I was helping with my brothers and sisters, it actually was really stinky. You know, you had the pail of diapers, it's stinky, you had to get rid of it every day. With this one here, you don't have any smells. It's quick, easy, and simple to change them. You throw it out and you're ready to go. So we definitely give the Diaper Genie Elite a big thumbs up. Thank you for the person who got it for us for our baby shower. We really appreciate it. And I'll tell you what, I would recommend this over many other products or just a basic waste basket. So once again, thank you for watching We Is the Future, where we're able to spend time with our family and give you reviews about things that we've gotten for our new family, as well as spending time with our family. So if you get a chance, please subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up for this useful review. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the box below. As always, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and come back and see us soon. We'll talk to you later.